Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Sakshi Chopra. Today, I am going to explain you a very important topic. Shall I start? Okay. Tell me, can you see these things over here? Yes, we can see so many things over here. I have fruits, vegetables, rice, sugar, bread, milk, curd. But what do we call them? When you are hungry, what do you eat? Yes, you eat something. Yes, you eat food. So today's topic is food. But tell me, what is food? Food is any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink to maintain their life and growth. Or food is something that people and animals eat to survive. I have underlined three words: nutritious, maintain, survive. What do you mean by nutritious, maintain, and survive? Nutritious means healthy, nutritive. Survive means to live. Maintain means to continue. Why do we need food? We will come to know with the help of one example. Tell me, what is needed to run vehicles like car and bikes? They all need diesel and petrol. They need fuel to run. Our body also needs something to run. It needs food to run. So food works like a fuel in our body. Food helps us in many ways. Like it helps us to grow, it gives us energy to work and play. It keeps us healthy and strong. It gives our body the power to fight against harmful germs. It supplies the required nutrients to make our body healthy. We eat different types of food, but all nutrients are not found in all types of food. Food can be divided into following types. First is energy giving food. First is energy giving food. Second is body building food. Second is body building food. Third is protective food. Third is protective food. We all know there are three types of food. First is energy giving food. Energy giving food gives us energy. Energy means power, strength. It includes carbohydrates. Carbs are digested and they turn into glucose. So, glucose is the main source of energy. Glucose is the main source of energy. I have some example of energy giving food like rice, coffee, sugar, potato, cheese, bread. They all give us energy. So that's why they are called as energy giving food. Second is body building food. Second is body building food. Pulses, milk, fish, meat, and curd are body building food. They build our muscles and reduce fat to grow bigger and strong. Now let's see what are body building food. Pulses, milk, curd, they all are bodybuilding food. Fish, meat, nuts are also bodybuilding food. This is chickpea lentil. This is chickpeas. And this is kidney beans like rajma, chana, chane dal. Lentil means dal. Lentil. Lentil. Third is protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They are rich in fiber and minerals. They prevent us from falling sick. Now let's see. This fruits, vegetables, they all are protective food. They protect us from diseases and maintain our body, they fight against germs also. That's why they are called protective food. So we should eat healthy food because they are rich in nutrients. They helps us to grow. Some more things I have. What are they? I have wafers, Maggie. Okay. But this is not good for our health. This type of food is called junk food. Junk food is a food that contains high level of calories with less vitamins, proteins and minerals. They keep us healthy. They keep us healthy? No, 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 no. They keep us lazy. They make us fat. They decrease the nutritious level of our body. Okay, so we should not eat junk food. You can eat junk food once in a month only, not at regular basis. One more topic I want to explain you. What is this? Can you read this heading? WATER. That means water. That means water. Our body needs lot of water. Our body needs lots of water. Tell me, when you are thirsty, what do you drink? You drink water. But why should we drink water? Because water helps us digest the food we eat. Water helps us digest the food which we eat. It helps us in throwing out the undigested food from our body. It helps us in throwing out the undigested food from our body. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses of water we should drink in a day? We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Let's take a recap with the help of mind map. Repeat after me. What is food? Food is any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink to maintain their life and growth. Or food is something that people and animals eat to survive. How many types of food we have? There are 3 types of food. First is energy giving food, second is bodybuilding food, and third is protective food. First is energy giving food. Energy giving food gives us energy. It includes carbohydrates. Carbs are digested and they turn into glucose. So, glucose is the main source of energy. Example, rice, potatoes, sugar, bread, cereals. Second is bodybuilding food. Pulses, milk, fish, meat and curd are body building food. They build our muscles and reduce fat to grow bigger and strong. Third is protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They are rich in fiber and minerals. They prevent us from falling sick. Now students, you all are understood what is food, how many types of food, why do we need to eat food, what are the benefits of food, what is junk food, what is healthy food, why should we drink water. Okay, earlier we have learned about food. Why do we need food? What are the examples of food? What are the types of food? What is water? But in food, how much food we should take in a day? How much energy giving food we should eat in a day, how much bodybuilding food we should eat in a day, how much protective food we should eat in a day. We will come to know with the help of food pyramid chart. What is the spelling of food pyramid? FOOD, food, PYRAMID, pyramid, food pyramid. First of all, let me clear you. What is food pyramid? A food pyramid is a chart that can be used to see how many servings of each food should be eaten each day. It is for having good health. It includes grains, fruits and vegetables, meat, milk, eggs, fats, oil, and sweet. In food pyramid chart, we have 4 groups. How many groups? 4 groups. First group, second group, third group, fourth group. In first group, we have porridge, that means dalia, rice, flattened rice, that means poha, corn, bread, and wheat. They all are energy giving food. It includes carbohydrate. They give us energy. So how much we should take in a day? 40%. Can you see? 40% cereals, bread, etc. we should take in a day. Second group is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Can you see? There are so many fruits and vegetables over here. First is tomato, onion, spinach, brinjal, potato, banana, strawberry, mango, orange, apple. They are rich in fiber and minerals. They protect us from diseases. They fight against germs also. So how much fruits and vegetables we should take in a day? It should be up to 35%. How much? 35% fruits and vegetables we should take in a day. Next is 20% meat, milk, egg, etc. I have milk, egg, cheese, dry fruits, meat and fish. Milk, egg, fish, meat, they all are bodybuilding food. They build our bones and muscles. So, how much food we should take? It should be up to 20% only. So, meat, milk, egg, cheese, dry fruits, fish, we all are supposed to take up to 20% only. Next group I have 5% fat, sugar, sweet, etc. Can you see these things over here? I have Maggi, hide and seek biscuit, sugar. They are so tasty, but they are not healthy for us. They are less nutritive. Okay, so we should take only 5% in a day. Okay, so how many groups we have in food pyramid chart? 4 groups. How many? 4 groups. First is 40% cereals, bread, etc. Second is 35% fruits and vegetables. Third is 20% meat, milk, egg, etc. Fourth is 5% fat, sugar, sweet, etc. Now we will count. Are we taking 100% meal in a day? Let's start. 40% plus 35%. 40 plus 35. 50, 60, 70, 75. 75 plus 20. 80, 90, 95. 95 plus 5. 100. So, we are taking 100% meal in a day. Now you understood. The food pyramid is designed to make healthy eating easier. Healthy eating is about getting the correct amount of nutrients, protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. You need to maintain good health. Now, my next topic is cooked food. What is cooked food? We cook most of the things before we eat them. Example, pulses, cereal, potatoes, etc. But some food are like that which can be eaten raw. Example, carrot, tomato, fresh fruit. So, raw food is food that is not cooked. Some foods are good to eat raw. Example, fruits and vegetables. We use in salad also now. Yes. Other food are not good for the body when they are raw. So they must be cooked. Example, pulses, potatoes, cereals. Okay. So we all eat food. Do you know? People who do not eat fish, eggs, and meat are called vegetarians. Are called vegetarians. What is the spelling of vegetarians? VEGETARIAN.